Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the EuroFit Tagalong. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing you want to do is begin to connect together the frame using the numbers located on all the pieces. So you're just going to match up like numbers to form the frame. So you can either just work your way around matching numbers, or as I like to do it, lay out all the pieces and then connect them together. So I'm just going to lay out the pieces matching the numbers. Now that I have all my pieces laid out, what I'm going to do is start from one edge and work my way down connecting the pieces. So I'm just going to insert the pieces into each other and then using the snap button secure into place. So I'm just going to keep working down my frame. Now that I have all my pieces connected together, I'm ready to attach the graphic. So I'm simply going to unzip the graphic. And then the zipper is located on the side of the tag-along. So I'm just going to insert my graphic over the frame. And then I'm going to zip it shut. Now that it's zipped shut, I'm going to connect the clamps. So you can connect the clamps on either one of the vertical sides of the tag-along. So I'm going to connect it away from the writing on my graphic. So you're just going to simply push on the clamp, and you want to make sure that they're evenly spaced along your tag-along. Now with both my clamps attached, I'm ready to connect it to a EuroFit. So the tag-along connects to a variety of EuroFits, and you can connect it to either sides of the EuroFit or even on top. So I'm just going to connect my tag-along to the side of my EuroFit, and you're just going to push the clamps over the tubing on the EuroFit. And it's just that easy to set up your EuroFit tag-along.